What's up, y'all? It's your boy Elishira 254, man. As you know, in the realm. Actually, and y'all know I document everything, man. So, the Ram got its first check engine light, man. Since I done had it, bought it brand new. I think it had like 300 miles. First check engine light, 38,000, right before 39,000 miles. So you know me, and you know what I do. You know what I'm saying? So I pulled out the laptop, you know what I'm saying, HP tuners, VCM scanner, you know what I'm saying, I pulled a code. It's a PO456, very small leak, pending, current, permanent, everything like that. I'm not exactly sure what happened. It could have just been when I tried to remote start the truck this morning, but I didn't push the button all the way or something, I don't know. But I am able to clear the lights. Yeah, I'm able to clear it. Guess we'll turn it off. It might have just been like a faulty thing. Like for whatever reason, when I tried to remote start this morning, it didn't do what it was supposed to do, or whatever like that. So I'm really not 100% sure what happened, but it went away. No big deal. It is what it is. Also, or since I have it, since we have since we got the laptop in the truck and stuff this morning, just dropped the kid off at daycare. Let's just get a little bit of light off of here. I kind of still got shit everywhere, man. I gotta get this shit cleaned up today. I'm off today, which is good. But what I'm about to do is pretty much set up the login or whatever, so you can start scanning. I get all my little readouts, etc., etc. Time in advance, intake, air temperature, all that stuff. It's responsive. It's kind of cool to see this shit in action. You know what I'm saying? You see it on other people's videos, whatever. So, what happened? I think I just stopped reading. Or did it not? Could it not catch up? What happened? Start scanning. That's odd. Let me make sure. Make sure I got a good connection. Oh, okay. You got that cable wasn't plugged all the way in. And that will do it. As you can see, the cable is kind of, well, I don't know if you can see, but the cable is like right down about my foot. All right, so let's start this again. All right, so finna get on this highway, man. I've never really recorded anything, data logging, nothing like that. I figured that I would try it out this morning and take y'all along for the ride. So let's go. All right, come on, bitch. So, pretty much, I guess this is an example of data logging. We'll do something similar with the Caprice whenever we get ready to do the data logging on it. That way you can, read the data and everything. It'll tell you what's going on, what's not going on. So I figured what's a better base than a new vehicle? I'm saying to just kind of test it out on. It'll give us like a good read of data to go back and look over and everything. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSRod254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. LSRod254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel. Watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Haven't yet made it to the expressway. Then we can kind of just really get on it. Let me see. Kind of zoom that in for y'all so y'all can see a little bit closer. I apologize for the shakiness, but I'm recording this on my phone as I'm driving, which you should never, ever do. Like I said, it seems to be that check engine light was just a fluke. I'm glad. I checked my gas cap too, just in case it said something about the evap system, something leaking, whatever. So, false alarm. False alarm. Slide over to this lane. They move like molasses. You know what would really be interesting, man? Like, if we were able to, like, I think it's like if we compared the data that we got without without a pedal commander, and then pedal commander's like, hey, and they send it out to us, and then we're able to, do it like that. That'll be pretty dope. So like the throttle responds like, I don't know, like you can take just like a rolling speed or like a rolling, like right here we're like at 84 miles an hour, cruising at like right up under 2 grand. Let's see. So like from a, I guess from a rolling dig or whatever. And the kind of crazy thing about it is like we can go, it just dropped. You know what I'm saying? And that was the O2 sensor. So like it's kind of interesting to see how, you know, everything, you know, affects everything like that. Let's try it again. Like is this gonna drop again? So like in map is at like 46, 57. Yeah, like once again it kind of dropped off there and then balanced back out. But yeah, the only way that we ever gonna, you know, get better with the software, play with it, etc., etc. You know what I'm saying, is just to get out there and do it. But I am glad to see that, you know, we are able, like, I mean, I can clear a code with it. I can also, you know, data log with it. Let's hit it one more time for the video end. Alright, no more digs. Doing this thing like it's a race truck. But yeah, everything is data logged, and then we can go back and pretty much save it, and then go back and watch the data, no matter what the thing is. Actually, for this truck, I think it would be a good idea to look at if we looked at like how everything performed with the eco, or the eco mode on versus the eco mode not on. So how that affects the different fuel trims, etc., etc. But I'm all out of digs. I'm all out of dig room space now. So, but it tracks all the data. And let me get to the parking lot, and then I'll show y'all how you save this or whatever. And pretty much you're done logging information. So what we're gonna do is we're going to, let me see, I'm trying to make sure that, okay, so it doesn't give us the option to save, but what I do want to do is stop scanning, right? So on this log file, save log file as, let me see. Actually, we can bring the computer closer down. All right, so save the log file as 2017 RAM test pools in Mexico, because that's exactly where we at. We in Mexico somewhere. So now let me show you. basically, with the car off, and actually with the HP tuner disconnected, which y'all sit right there, you can go back. Let me see, how do we do this? Trying to see what's the easiest way to do this. Cancel. But as you can see, it plays back everything that happens. Everything that happens. I thought I plugged this shit in last night. But yeah, either way. Let me see. But yeah, depending upon how far you zoom out or whatnot, it'll tell you, I guess, like where you are or where you were in the dig. See, right, you can see right here, if I zoom in right there, that's pretty much when I nailed it. So we went from 84, and then when it dropped all the way off, let me see, hold on. I think we got the wrong part. So let me back up one more time for y'all for this battery die. So we rolling, it gets to the red. The red is gonna be your speed or your RPMs. It shoots all the way up, 97, 99, 104 in Mexico was the top speed, and then it started dropping back down or whatever. So now we got our first data log file, and we have something we can read up and go back and look at. So it's your boy LSRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.